You might be wondering what's the difference between a ceramic or a semi-metallic brake pad. Now, discussing or basically knowing the difference in here can make a difference. So, let's first understand what the ceramic brake pads are. So, ceramic brake pads are made from blend of ceramic fibers and non-metallic materials. They're shown for being quiet, smooth, and low in dust, which makes them great for everyday driving. They also handle heat well so your braking stays consistent, but they do tend to be more expensive. Now, what about the semi-metallic brake pads here? Now, semi-metallic pads contain 30 to 70% metal, like steel, copper, or iron, mixed with friction materials. They're tougher than more affordable and provide better stopping power, especially when cold. However, they can be noisier and create more brake dust than ceramic. Now, how about their performances here? Now, if you drive a normal city or highway condition, well, or in highway or city conditions here, well, ceramic pads gives you a quieter, cleaner experience. But if you drive a harsher condition like towing, racing, or mountainous areas, semi-metallic pads perform better under heavy braking. Now, what about the weight and cost of maintenance here? Ceramic pads usually last longer and are easier to on the rotors, but they come with a higher upfront cost here. Semi-metallic pads are cheaper to replace, but they may wear rotors faster, meaning more frequent maintenance. Now, uh, how do you choose here? So you need to choose based on your driving needs. Now, go for ceramic if you value quiet operation and less dust for daily use. Now, pick semi-metallic if you need stronger braking power and durability for performance and heavy-duty driving. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.